This is Casey, 5 Tons with Guns. We're back with you here today. Yesterday, we had 2 different pours doing copper. The first pour from a cold start, we got 3 nice little wafers here and a clump of dross that we can probably get something out of. We'll probably work with this. Now our second pour, this is what we come up with. And it seemed like after I put the charcoal to it, why it turned into mush. So, no more charcoal. Our 12th pour that was successful was from a cold start. After we got a puddle and got things mixed up, we fluxed it with a little bit of borax, a teaspoon of borax. And that was a success. Now, we're going to start over today and do another cold start. Seems like every time I do a cold start, it's always successful. And then if we try to do a second one, with the exception of aluminum. Let's go on here, we'll get started. And hang on here, we're going to get far enough. There we go. We got 3.5 pounds of aluminum or copper again. Let's let it go for about 20 minutes. We'll see what we have. We'll be right back with you.